Hey everybody, it's Rob with Backyard Barbecue. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but wanted to show one of my new toys that I haven't really talked much about. This is an Expert Grill Commodore. So a pellet grill. Today I'm going to talk about some of my favorite things that I actually like, and a couple things I really don't like about this smoker, just to give you some impartial feedback. So I'll start with the list of things I really do like, and then we'll go to the cons. Number one. I love how huge this pellet basket is. The hopper is ginormous. I could almost put a whole bag, depending on the size, right in here. So this will last like an entire cook. Next thing is, has a quick clean out. So if you need to, pop it out. Just don't do what I did, and you'll be good. See? A couple left. But that's how easy it is to clean your chips out, should you want to. I meant to do that. Next thing, we've got this really nice digital screen, huge readout. What's nice is if I'm inside, I can look through the window and actually see, hey, what the temp is. This thing's working right. Also has a nice Bluetooth unit, which is really handy. It's as simple as pushing the screen, hitting the start smoke, and just letting it go. So it works super easy. I really like that one. Right now I'm starting it so you guys can see how that works. Now, one of the perks I didn't mention a minute ago is actually the ability to hold a temp. And one of the things I love so much is when I'm using this, and I really love my stick burner out back, I could set whatever temp I want and it'll just sit there basically all night long, even if I'm not here. You know, I've got 4 kids, so being able to walk away, help the kids, help the wife, there's a lot of comfort in knowing that I'm not going to have a dirty fire going in the background, and I can count on this thing overnight. That's a nice perk. The other one is I haven't been able to try before. This is a smoked cream cheese, and I actually just put some on a minute ago. You can see one is like a Cajun seasoning, the other is just like a custom blend, like what I use for my pork shoulders. But when I do my offset, sometimes I get these big spikes. Last thing I want is some melted cheese. So by having the pellet grill, I can set the temp and know that it's going to stay pretty close even if I'm not around to babysit. So I can just set it and forget it. Now, one thing I do want to hit on is the quality. How's the build quality of this unit? As you know, it's an Expert Grill, basically made by like Walmart. So it's definitely got that cheap grill wobble. Having said that, it's a lot lighter and easier to maneuver around than my offset would be, my Oklahoma Joe. And if you had a buddy with a truck, you know, you guys could easily load this thing up, throw a bag of pellets in, and you're good to go. Versus with an offset, I mean, you're loading up all kinds of wood.